you should be able to tap to change the wallpaper. Hey guys, today I would like to share you one cool feature for iOS 16 where you can just tap on the lock screen. The wallpaper will be changed as you simply tap on it. This is one of the coolest feature on iOS 16. Now let me show you how to do this. What you're gonna do is to hold on the lock screen, then you're gonna create a new lock screen by click on the plus button at the bottom, and from here you're gonna find photo shuffle. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then it's gonna pop up just like this. You need to create an album in your camera roll. Then you're gonna select one of the album that you have just created. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and select this. Let's say select this one. I have like 4 photo here. You're gonna go ahead and select the photo that you like, then click on add, and after that you're gonna find this 3 dot at the bottom. Just tap on it. Then you're gonna go into shuffle frequency, and you can either go into daily, hour, on wake, or on taps. It is depend on your need. For me, I can go ahead and select on tap. So whenever I tap on the screen, the wallpaper will be changed. And with this button, you can go ahead and add more wallpaper later on. And then after you're done, click on the done button. And then from here, you should be able to tap to change the wallpaper. And or you can also customize and like change for on wake. So every time the screen is wake, the wallpaper will be changed automatically. Let's say now my device is locked, and then when it wake, the wallpaper will be changed. You can see every time the screen is wake. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. Then we'll see you guys in the next video.